Oh.
We're gonna. Hey, you trying to light?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get the pins in right. Thank you for that.
Our next PC build for my wife.
You could always upgrade it later, the fan.
Yeah, bro, we always
If you
could.
have
It's
any,
just
like, if it's too noisy for you.
that's why I was taking long, because I'm very persistent. I want to get it, you know, get it right, man.
Yeah. But if you don't like the noise that it's creating, or anything that doesn't.
If it's not louder than the PS4, I'm okay.
No, definitely won't.
Every time I turn that on the either Modern Warfare or
dude, it's like a jet engine, bro.
Not for me.
How many have you built already?
More than 50.
Dang.
It's become secondhand to me. I've been doing it ever since I was like 14. Yeah. Oh, this is modular? Oh, you did good.
Oh no, he did good.
Yeah. Oh, you did good. You did good.
He chose everything. I was just on like my budget. That's it.
With modular, you can take out certain cables that are unnecessary. It'll
it's really dope, bro.
I just told him like my budget was like it's either 1,000 or 1,500.
I don't remember. Was it fully or mid modular? Semi. I mean.
No, it's not semi. It's fully. That's even better, bro.
Well, what's the difference? I don't even know.
It's like, okay, the cables, they're modular, meaning they're like, you could set them apart. You don't have to have like, it's not all clear. You can choose which cables you want to put. That's the thing. It's
so basically I can buy like
modular. You have to leave all the cables.
And semi-modular is that where you can kind of like separate them, but there's still a couple that are by default.
Sounds like you've had that water cutting issue
bro,
multiple times.
Nah, it's there's something wrong with the fucking pressure. The meter's not spinning, so they had to cut the water.
Because we're paying for water?
No, it's not that. It's not that. It's not that. It's something with the water line, so they have to cut it to check it out.
More performance, but more power is drawn out.
All right, I want you to do
In simpler terms.
Remove this. Let me see where you can start.
This one uses two. 1660 uses one power cable.
Peel it off right here. Satisfaction. Oddly satisfying.
I don't remember if this part like what. Pretty sure it does.
Probably does.
You also have warranty on this stuff. Alright, Paco?
I think it's like for 3 years. Ooh.
I'll take a look.
That's just sweet, man.
You built it.
Alright, where's your flash drive with
Hey guys, it's Frannyfriendly here. Welcome back to the channel. I know you guys saw yesterday the PC build. So right now I'm remodeling my my side of the room, which is just a corner, and right now I'm gonna build I went to IKEA and I bought an Alex. So right now I'm gonna do the fast process and build this. So let's see how fast I can do it.
Mommy, can you help me?
Go shower first.
No, what shower is it?
So yeah, let's just say I am done building it. It took me like a good hour, and like my baby daughter, she is right now going to, she's like sleeping mode for some reason, but hey, it's finally working. Look, what? Another one. Finish the Alex drawer right now. Show you guys my setup, how it is right now. I know it's a little messy, I know, but this is my side, my corner. Don't focus on my wife's corner. But this is her business though. It's a little, she does mostly the whole thing. Selena's left, and then mine's over here. It's a little mess. This desk is going away. Say goodbye to it. This is how my setup normally is when I had the PS4. I currently still have it, but it's gonna be gone because I have this beauty, the PC. So right now I'm gonna clean everything. Yeah, clean everything. So I'll see you guys in a jiff. Make this gone now. Oh, it took like 30 minutes. But my desk is all gone. It's all gone, you guys. So right now I'm gonna sweep my corner, everything, and then take this desk out also. And the transformation is gonna be legit. So, be right back. I marked it, but it didn't stay. So I'm gonna just make like this. Thought they stayed, but they didn't. So I'm just make it easier for me to drill it, cause five. Alright, first one. Show you guys the process. Dude, I hope that this works. Oh, it's a little too much. Fuck it, dude. Oh, is it coming now? Oh, I gotta feel it. Oh, thank goodness. On the dot. I can feel it. I can feel it. Back a little bit. There we go. We just finished drilling all four corners. So, the moment of truth. Get this bad boy. And make a freaking desk. Tight as possible. Because you don't want no wiggles. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna bring the other ones. Alex, move out the way. Oh shoot. Ooh, imagine. Did my sense. Now I'm making this for the two monitors I have. So I don't know if you guys can see it. So let's peel up this base and let's go, cause I don't have time. Yeah. Got two of these bad boys. Right now. I have a dual monitor setup, and then also have one more that I'm gonna drill in the hole. Cause when I go edit, also. Yo, if you guys drilling something, it's better to have like a gun for it. Drill gun, I mean, drill gun. So, I'm messing my words. Messing my word bits. But yeah. Look at it. It's small, but it's gonna be popped. You guys gonna see something funny. Let's see. This side. I'm so upside down, but. Hey. We got it good. Is that Amazon? Because I'm missing one more package. It's not Amazon. No shoot. No shot there. I'm a little tired, guys, but the setup is coming in clean. I'm not done yet, but you guys will get a little sneak peek of it right now. Ready, guys? Ready? Oh, too much. So when I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys the reveal. So hopefully, you guys will like it. I mean, I'm gonna love it for sure, cause I built it. I freaking took almost half a day. So let's finish. Hey guys, so. This is actually the next. Let me see. Hold on. Let me focus myself. All right, guys. Let me turn the lights. Uh-oh. There you go. All right, guys. It's actually the next day, and I don't know if you guys know, but we were just building my desk, my setup. So I'm gonna show you guys right now my setup. So let's do the cinema. So yeah, alright. Turn it on. Headphones. Hi.
Hi.
So yeah. It's booting up right now. So let me just put my password. You guys want to know the password? You guys do come here. Anyways, so here it is. This is set up. Actually, this is my PS4 and my laptop back there, and right here I edit my videos, play my PlayStation 4 for now before I sell it. But yeah, I do editing up here and everything, so that's the monitor for that one. But I don't use it because I'm on this one, and yeah. So play my setup for now. It's really small for now because I got the wrong size of tabletop. So right now I'm gonna suffer for in the beginning, but once I finish paying for everything, because I paid everything in credit card, and I'm gonna just get a new table, like new tabletop. So yeah, so right now, if you guys wanna go check me out, I just need to buy also an account because I'm gonna start streaming too. But anyways, if you guys want to follow me in my social media, it's gonna be down below link, and excuse the mess back there. But yeah. Anyways, have a great one. Remember, just be friendly. So Frannyfriendly out. Peace. Go. I'm gonna start playing games now.